Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can solve Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra speaker distortion issue. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra speaker distortion problem, first of all, you just need to tap on settings icon and just do the same as I'm showing you in this video to fix Galaxy S23 Ultra distortion issue.